Hey guys, it's Jon Powers here. Today is a really big day for me. My whole life I grew up driving race cars, playing racing video games, watching racing videos, and I always was driving on the world-renowned racetrack, Laguna Seca. And today I get to drive on that track in real life. That's right, I'm taking my new BMW E92 M3 to Laguna Seca, and I currently live in the Bay Area in San Francisco. Laguna Seca, as you know, is near Monterey, Salinas area, so I'm gonna be driving down this morning.
Alright, so some of you watching may be interested in attending an event at Laguna Seca, similar to this one, so I'm gonna give you a quick how-to. I registered for the event through Motorsports Reg, so that's a website. It's like a motorsports event website. You go and create an account and you can register for events like this. After I created an account, I then got track day insurance for my 2013 BMW M3. First time at Laguna Seca, so I don't really want to risk anything, but I got that insurance through Hagerty, through RLI, track day insurance. So that was about $200, and I think it'll be worth it for at least this first session. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to go out on track here. We're at an OnGrid event, and this is just awesome so far. We're in the pits, and this is my first time driving here in real life. I've driven here on racing simulators, video games like Forza, but first time here, it's pretty cool. So we're gonna put this on the helmet cam soon. There are 5 groups. Number 5 is the top group. I put myself in group 3 because it's my first time driving this in real life, so we're gonna see how it goes here.
All right, we're getting set up for our first session on track. We are going to get out there, do a couple laps, probably nothing crazy. It's the first session, so it's gonna get used to the track. I need to turn traction control off, and I think I need to stiffen this thing up. Wow, that is quite the drop. Probably gonna get passed by these Miatas in like 2 seconds. Too fast, man. The only thing I have keeping me away from this Miatas is my horsepower. That's it. Otherwise, I'd be toast. Would have to let them pass me. Miatas are too fast. I'll just follow these guys for a couple laps here. Really just still getting used to the car. This is my first track day in the E92. So getting used to the brakes here. Getting used to the power.
pretty bad, but that was my first time, so we'll see if I can improve a little bit. But just getting used to this BMW. It's pretty fast. Don't want to beat on it too hard. Already used a quarter tank of gas, so that's crazy considering I filled up right before this. So new camera angle. We'll see how this angle goes. It might fall off, so no promises. If it falls off, it's going straight on the floor on the passenger seat. Probably done for the day. That was fun. My helmet is really tight on my forehead and my back of my head, which is giving me a little bit of a headache, but the E92 M3, it ran a little hotter than normal, so it's about halfway, it's like almost halfway between 210 and 300, which it normally runs at 210. My brakes smell terrible, so every time I go out on track, I use a quarter tank. So if I were to go on track one more time, I would have used a full tank of gas today. So I think what I'll do is cool down, say bye to my friends, and I think I will wrap it up for the day. So thanks for watching, and next time I come out here, I'll have better tires and hopefully a race car, because this thing is a daily. This is not a race car, and that's very apparent, but it was awesome. This thing was so much fun. I see why everyone loves BMW, because now I do.